Hey, so I broke my shovel the other day. Shit happens. No big deal. But this is a Blue Hawk from Lowe's store brand. And I just wanted to show you how this thing is constructed. So you look at the outside, it's like, wow, that's a really nice looking piece of wood. Then you look where it broke here. What they do is they put a little veneer of fake wood around a whole bunch of looks like glued together sawdust. So not a shovel I would recommend. I mean, granted, it's a $15 shovel. It ain't gonna kill me. But thing just cracked right at the seam. And I just can't believe that, because I bought this thinking, hey, that's a good solid piece of wood there. But you look inside, and that is just shady. A little bit of veneer and a bunch of glued together. I swear that's literally glued together sawdust. So probably a product to avoid. If you like this stuff, subscribe. I need subscribers. Help me reach 1,000, and y'all have a great day.